So in the last video, we looked at how to graph straight lines using a table of values. And in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to graph a straight line just by looking at the intercepts. What I mean by the intercepts are 2 points on the line, the y-intercept, which is where the graph will cross the y-axis, and then the x-intercept, which is where the graph will cross the x-axis. So let's take a look at the y-intercept first. Now, if we look at the y-axis here, if you can imagine the points on this line, all of the points on this line have an x-coordinate of 0. So to find the y-intercept, all we have to do is set the x in our equation of our line to 0. So instead of 4x plus 8y is equal to 24, I'm going to substitute x is equal to 0 in. So 4 times 0 plus 8y is equal to 24. And then I'm going to solve for y. So 4 times 0 is just 0. So I'm left with 8y is equal to 24. And to solve for y, I divide both sides by 8 to get y is equal to 3. So that means my y-intercept is the point 0, 3. Now let's do the x-intercept. Okay, so the opposite occurs here. So on the x-intercept, on this line here, the x-axis, all of the y-coordinates of the points on that line are 0. So this time we're going to set y equal to 0. So I'm going to have 4x plus 8 times 0 is equal to 24. So hopefully you'll see what happens here. I'm just left with 4x, because 8 times 0 is 0. So 4x is 24. Divide both sides by 4 to get x is equal to 6. So my x-intercept is the point where x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. And we're just going to sketch this on this axis. So don't worry about drawing in every single number on the number line. Just do it sort of roughly. So the y-intercept is the point 0, 3. So it would be about here, and I'll just label it 0, 3. And the x-intercept is the point 0, 6. That would be somewhere around here, 0, 6. So now I have 2 points, and if I join those with a straight line, that is now the equation of the line 4x plus 8y is equal to 24. And that's it, you're done. So that's how we can plot a line just using the x and y intercept. So we'll need to find 2 points and then join them to get our line. Let's try one more example. So this one you can go ahead and try on your own. It's a good idea if you want to just follow the steps from before. If you're not quite confident enough yet, you can follow along with me. Okay, so we've got the equation negative 3y plus 4x is equal to negative 12. So first, let's take a look at our y-intercept. So we'll set x is equal to 0, and I'll get negative 3y plus 4 times 0 is equal to negative 12. That just gives me negative 3y is equal to negative 12. So if I divide both sides now by negative 3, I get y is equal to positive 4. So my y-intercept is the point 0, 4. So I'll put that right on the axis. So the point 0, 4 would be up here. Okay, let's do the x-intercept now. So now we need to set y equal to 0. So this time I get negative 3 times 0 plus 4x is equal to negative 12. Negative 3 times 0 is 0, so 4x is equal to negative 12. Divide both sides by 4, and I get x is equal to negative 3. So my x-intercept is the point negative 3, 0. So that would be over here, negative 3, 0. And now I can connect those 2 points. And there is my line. So I just put my arrows on to show that it goes on forever. And that's the line negative 3y plus 4x is equal to negative 12. Okay, so that's it for today's video. It's a nice short one. Make sure you write your summary and then a question and leave some room for your answer so we can answer it in class.